na Gallery F, actually galing siya sa word na F-stop.
Well, yan na po yung concept ng Gallery F. First, para merong venue to meet yung photographers, unang-una. Plus, of course, para may showcase sa Los Baños yung art na kaya na ibigay.
Na-excite ako kasi pag magkakaroon ng room for photographers like me.
Having imagination photography in Gallery F, we're making good photographs available to people from the South. Definitely, there will be more purpose-driven photographer workshops here.
Gusto namin siyang maging isang place na maging home siya para sa not just photographers and artists. Ano rin, parang tambayan.
Na ma-share natin sa tao.
Kaiba niya kasi sa labas pa lang.
Nag-add kami ng cafe para merong magawa yung tao na naghihintay. Pero yung coffee namin is different in a way na it's organic.
You can coordinate with the owners of Gallery F if you want to display your artworks.
Lahat ng gusto nyo dalhin dito, if sculpture yan, whatever art na you think of, welcome dito yan. Just come over.